this is recording. That sounded so weird. Well, hello there. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna test out a really funky dinky donkey. What? I should put that on a t-shirt. Face mask that I just got in the mail. Today I'm gonna be testing out this I Do Care Sugar Kitten Hydrating Holographic Peel Off Mask. And I was like, is this like one of those like catchy products that it's supposed to just be like gimmick? I googled this mask to see like what are people talking about it, like is it even legit? I actually found it on Ulta and it has like 4.5 star reviews. Quite impressive. It says sweeten up your complexion with Mimi Box Sugar Kitten Mask, a peel off mask infused with red ruby and pearl powders, rose water and hyaluronic I can never say that word, hyaluronic acid work together to hydrate and revitalize dry skin for a dewy look. So what really caught my attention in this little I found the ingredient list and they do have it in English, and at the end it says it has amethyst powder, tourmaline, diamond powder. Hello. This is as close to a diamond as I'm gonna get. So let's go ahead and try this little bad boy because I just washed my face and it's feeling really dry right now, so I can appreciate a hydrating mask. So, first of all, I love this color of packaging. It matches my pillow. Doing a product shot. A Rolanda that always pops up when I want to film a video. Let's peel off this little thing. Ooh, this smells really good. I can definitely smell the rose in this. So on the inside, it's actually like a greenish color. Oh, did I mention this product is Korean? Step 1, remove excess water after cleansing. I already cleansed my face. Apply a generous and even layer to skin with a silicone mask brush. I don't have a silicone mask brush. I'm not supposed to use this? Okay, let me try to find one. Aha! I found one. Oh my gosh. I'm about to put diamond powder on my face. Ooh, this feels good. I'm literally feeling like $1,000,000. This looks so cool. Okay, I'm feeling some tingling. Shit, it's on my pants. I will say, it does feel very luxurious. Okay, so mask is on. Okay, leave on and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. So I think for the next 20 to 30 minutes, I might just use this as an excuse to catch up on How You Met Your Mother. By the way, did any of you guys watch How I Met Your Mother? I am so freaking obsessed with that show. I started watching it. First season was terrible. Second season was like, eh. And then third season, I started falling in love with all the characters. And now I am so obsessed. Oh my god, I only have 4 episodes left. I literally finished How I Met Your Mother. The entire 9 seasons is almost like a month and a half. I'm a binge watcher.
Remembering this. Come on.
Feels so tight. And I cannot wait to peel this off. Drummer, please. As it was drying, it felt really cooling on the face, like really minty-ish. Ah, my baby hairs. Okay, let's just start from the bottom. And now we're here. The biggest challenge with peel-off masks, if they come off in one whole peel, then they are solid. Oh gosh, this is very satisfying. Ow, my little facial hairs. All right, here we go. Ouch. Oh my god, this feels so good. Oh my god, this is so creepy. I really pulled up a few of my facial hairs, which okay. My skin definitely looks glowy right now. I have some left over here. I will say my skin feels really soft right now. I really like this mask. I love that it was so much fun to put on and peel off, and now I'm noticing like my skin looks really like radiant and like glowy. It doesn't feel super hydrated, but it definitely looks glowy. Overall, I think this mask is pretty cool. I love the smell of it, and the fact that it has hyaluronic acid and rose water, which are 2 ingredients that are super good for you, for your skin, and it's not a super expensive mask. This is only $23 at Ulta, which is a very reasonable price for a whole jar of mask. A 4-star. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tested out video. If you guys are interested in checking this product out, I will leave a link below. And if there is any other weird products you guys want me to try out, please let me know in the comment section because I would love to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.